pretty interesting when you said that it's doing the indexing automatically. Can you explain that a little more?
Yeah, so we use a technology called OCR. It's optical character recognition. And essentially, the system does two parts of the indexing. The first part is taking a screenshot of your slide, which then will act as a thumbnail so that you can search. Let me show you. I'll put it up on the screen. Yeah. So as you can see here, we have a presentation and a presenter on the video, and this is our interactive player, right? So we have first the timeline, which will show all of the interactions of different people. It will show the different chapters, it will show attachments, and even video that you are attaching to your content. So if I want to complete an idea, or I have a question that relates to a video that I found, I could always put it in and even open it on the same window without the need to actually getting out of my concentration, my study time. And that is actually very valuable, because we all know how easily we can go down a YouTube rabbit hole. So to get back to your question about the OCR and the indexing, here we can see all of the slides that the presenter used during their presentation, and I can use those as a navigation tool, so I can visually jump between one point and the other of the video.
Okay.
Now, further than that, I can use the words that were used in those slides that are automatically indexed using the OCR technology. Go to the search bar, and you can see that I have a number of tick boxes. These all represent parts of the content where I can search. So even the comments that are made here in the timeline are searchable. Any text that I use in my study environment is searchable. So if I use the word media, for example, I know it repeats a lot, I can see directly all of the slides where the word media was used. And by simply clicking on the clock or directly on the slide, I jump into that point of the video.